We're back, and we have a peculiar case with this system. The system is 840 G2. You see, when the charger is plugged in, it keeps flashing these lights, keeps on flashing the lights, regular at intervals, doesn't turn on the system. It flashes the lights and the fan spins and stops. So notice that there is an IC that is actually hot at that region where I'm touching. It's probably the IC that is controlling the HDMI port. So we have to remove it and see if it will stabilize this system. So I had to ask my trainees to test and feel the impact of how hot it is. So they touched them and they touched it, and it was actually hot. So now we're going to remove that cap, and it's not a capacitor, it's a MOSFET. So remove it and see if it will control or stop this flashlight that is coming when you plug in your charger that is refusing the system to turn on. So let's remove it and see what the results will turn out to be. So we've removed it, and let's see if it will stabilize this board. Now we can see the board the light is stable, it's no longer flashing, and I'm just touching the processor if it's getting warm, and yes, the fan has started spinning. So that problem was actually a faulty MOSFET that is connected to the HDMI port. So in another twist, we will just need to leave it that way because we don't have any MOSFET that we'll use to replace at the moment. So this is okay. So the system is working fine, and we've done the job.